guys, today we'll talk about this train. It's Unopened Express train divided. It's the steam train, constructions, steam train, tender, and 2 cars. Piece train set 29 pieces. These batteries always. And the advantage is locomotive and locomotive. And all the constructions at English and Spanish. And train set train divided. And it is www.easytec.hk. I hope you like this. I hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe this video, and I'll see you to the next train. Goodbye.